Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a ComfortBilt pellet stove and you want to set a weekly heating schedule for when the heat comes on, when the heat comes off, different temperatures and stuff like that. We can do that real easily. All we have to do is enter this set data menu on the screen of our stove, and to do that all we need to do is press and hold the enter button on the stove and it will automatically open this set data menu. And then you have your scroll arrows. You can scroll down one. You'll see the first one is to set the clock. If you just scroll down one, it has this option for the set weekly menu. Once you scroll down to that, you will hit the enter button again, and it will open this set weekly menu. And then from there, all you need to do is hit enter again, and it will highlight the first hour, and you can just scroll to the hour you want. And when you hit enter, it will toggle over, and this is the start time for this. It will toggle over to the minutes. You'll fill in the minutes of the start time. You'll hit enter again, and then you'll enter the stop time, the hours of the stop time. Hit enter again, the minutes of the stop time. Hit enter again, and you can choose the temperature. And then you can go through as many of these as you want, and then you can just scroll down to hit enter for the next, and then you can do the next day of the week, all the way through. Or if you want, you can just set that same schedule. If you wanted to just do the same schedule every day, you can just click enter on all, and it will have set your temperature settings and your heating schedule all week. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.